Welcome. In front of me I have ZTE Axon 11 5G and I'm going to show you how you can transfer data from Android smartphone to your Axon. So at the first we have to get the application to transfer data. So let's move for the Play Store on your Axon, tap on the search pool and type here clone it. We are going to use this application, so let's install. And of course on the second smartphone we have to do the same. Open on your Axon, and on both smartphones you will have to accept all of the permissions that you have. Right now let's go for our other smartphone. Click sender on your Android phone, tap set, turn on location, go back and click sender one more time. On your Axon you have to tap receiver, turn on location, go back and click receiver one more time and then tap search again. And right now when we got here the Android share icon, we have to tap on it and we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually, so we have to pick a way. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request, and right now if you want to send all of the data that you have on your smartphone, you have to select all of these icons and then click start. In this place you got a size of the selected files and estimated time. If you want to send, for example, only contacts, you click here. If you want to send only photos, you click here. But if you want to get only like 1-2 details or something like that, I'm going to show you how it works on the music. So let's go for the songs, and I think I'm going to send only 2 songs. It will be really fast and a good example for the details. Then select what you want to send, click start, OK, and as you can see it is finished. So right now we can check where are the files, and it will be probably in the file manager, in the audio or in the downloads. Yeah, it will be in the downloads. So here we got the files that we sent from our Android smartphone to the ZTE Axon 11 5G. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.